Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. And now we need to select photo what you wanna change. Also make sure that you use your current account. You can change it. You can add new. Okay, so now let's check. Okay, I want to edit this. Now, you need to tap at the photo what you want to edit, and at the bottom you will find edit button. Tap at this button. So, firstly, choose suggestion, crop, tool, adjust, filters. You have a lot to customize it. And now let's do this. Let's say I want to change this. Portrait light. I'm gonna move here and increase it. Then color focus maximum. Then adjust. Let me increase the brightness. So just move the slider. Contrast. HDR. Okay. Let's say that's okay for me. After that, you need to click Save at the right bottom. And you have two options. Save or save as copy. So, if you want to keep the original version, click Save as copy. If you don't need original version, click Save. And we have it. So, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!